The Ginebra Slayer came to play on Thursday night at the Big Dome. James Yap came alive in the end game to help the Rain or Shine Elasto Painters survive the Barangay Ginebra San Miguel 109-100 to tie their 2018 Commissioner's Cup best-of-5 semifinal series at one game apiece. The two-time PBA Most Valuable Player sparked the Elasto Painters' 12-0 finishing kick from a 97-100 deficit with a tough layup off a drive. Yap contributed 5 points in that run, including the dagger triple with 1:06 left to play. Yap finished with 18 points, spiked by 5 treys, along with 3 rebounds. "I'm so proud of my players right now, they came out and played hard," beamed Rain or Shine head coach Caloy Garcia. "In the end we won it because we hit the bigger shots. And we played great defense in the last 3 minutes." Reggie Johnson top billed for the Elasto Painters with a near triple-double of 25 points, 20 rebounds, and 8 assists. Gabe Norwood supplied 12 points and 3 boards, while Chris Yu chimed in 11 points and 7 dimes. Raymond Almazan flirted with a double-double of 10 markers and 8 caroms. Justin Brownlee led the Barangay and all scorers with 29 points on 11 of 22 shooting along with 12 rebounds. The conference's best import candidate also filled up the stat sheet with 3 assists, 2 steals, and 2 blocks. Greg Slaughter was just 2 rebounds away from a double-double with 20 points and 8 rebounds. Latunario had 17 points, 6 rebounds, and 4 assists, while Scotty Thompson provided 14 markers and 5 boards. Game 3 is on Saturday, July 21st, at the Mall of Asia Arena. The scores. Rain or Shine, 109, Johnson 25, Yap 18, Norwood 12, Q 11, Almazan 10, Borbrin 9, Daquiog 9, Nambatak 6, Ahan Missy 4, Ponferrada 0, Washington 0. Ginebra, 100, Brownlee 29, Slaughter 20, Tenorio 17, Thompson 14, Chan 8, Devens 5, Cagayo 4, Ferrer 3, Mercado 0, Cruz 0. Quarter scores: 26-36, 57-57, 87-87, 109-100.